Hi, welcome to Makriza Made Me Cook. My name is Prince Sivalo Mahlam. So thank you for clicking on this video. If it's your first time on the show, please, I would love for you to subscribe and be part of our family here on YouTube. So I am standing at Entumbane shopping complex, and this was established in 1995 to serve to areas such as Njube, that's on my left, and also Entumbane. So also importantly, there is a bus rank that has got buses that ply along the Victoria Falls Road. So you've got buses that go to Nkayi, Ekhalam, Gosivale, and Goskoboko. We've also buses that go to Lusulu, that go to Binga, that go to Falls Road in areas in Njube and also in Tsholotsho. So I've been invited to come spend some time in the kitchen, my happy place, at a restaurant in takeaway that's known as Ama Royal. So I'll be in the kitchen helping out, cooking, also learning the dynamics of operating within a bus terminus restaurant. So it's going to be a busy day. It's a sunny day today here in the city of Bulawayo. So in terms of the distance from this bus rank to Falls Road, it's between 3 and 4 kilometers. So this was created for those buses. So when they leave, they just exit and head towards Falls Road. And also you just see a pop-up advert on your screen. So in terms of the t-shirts, we had a problem, just a small challenge with the website, but we're sorting that. So I'll inform you also on our social media accounts on when we start selling the t-shirt, the merchandise, so that you can support us on the show. But anyway, it's time for me to go to the kitchen and start cooking. So excited about today. See, also experiencing on the customers and also what we're going to cook in the kitchen. Ama Royal, welcome to the show.
The soft voice. I wanna make you happy. I swear when I see you dancing. I call you mother.
My name is Donovan Ashbourne. I'm the manager of Ama Royal's restaurant. We've been in existence now for 3 months, and as it is right now, we're targeting the area of Entumbane, Emakhandeni, Mpopoma, basically the surrounding areas. Our aim is to provide quality food for everyone. As it is right now, we've started off our services with the small meals. As we grow, we're going to be going with bigger meals. I'm sure by the end of, well, not by the end of the year, by maybe by the time we turn 1, we want to fill this whole place up where people can come, families, and enjoy quality meals. Our meals basically, for now, we have your normal meals: sadza mabonzo, sadza malusu, matumbu, chicken, beef, rice, stuff like that. In the long run, we want to also, as we keep going, we want to get our license to operate a small mini bar. We're not only catering for people who don't drink, we also want to cater for people who drink. Not nightclub as such, and not bottle store. Just that some people, when they want to have a meal, they want to also have a drink. So that's what we are trying to also organize at the moment. We are in the process of doing that. Yeah, basically that's what we are about.
Mina Onion Ndlovu, chef master, ngimemphekayo. Ngiyapheka ama stews, beef stew, roasted beef, chicken stew, roasted chicken, and then le rice, le marinata amatiponi, ngiyayenza i-dressing yama saladi. Okunye ekuseveni ngiyaseva, ngiyancedisa, siyapheka amabhonzo, siyapheka imbida, siyenza i-coleslaw salad, potato salad, konke nje ama-salads onke nje different ahlangeneyo. Siyapheka le beans lezangaphakathi. Ngayithi ekuseni singena ngo-7, nxa sifika lapha emsebenzini ngiyafika ngitshintshe, ngigqoke apron, ngigqoke i-mock cap, ngisuke lapho ngiyegeza izandla before I touch food. Ngiqala ngigeza izandla zami, I make sure ukuthi ngiyageza izandla bese ngiqalisa ukubamba ukudla kwami. Ma ngibamba ukudla, I make sure ukuthi ngayenza anything, I must wash my hands before I ngingakabambi ukudla kwabantu yikho engikwenzayo. Alright, mina ku-industry yokupheka ngiyayithanda kakhulu and ngilesifiso sokuthi la ama-royal ngi-improve abantwana ngibatshengisa ama-skills zonke ayenziwayo. Ngiyayenza lama-samusa konke lama-pie ngiyayenza, lama-burger konke ngiyayenza. Ngilesifiso sokuthi ngiba-improve abantwana. Mina ngibe ko-Dallas Takeaways for 16 years, ngaba ko-Golden Grill for 8 years, now sengilapha for 3 months. So umsebenzi wami ngiyawuthabela kakhulu.
So I just want to talk about Entumbane complex in detail. So it's classified under 5 sections. So this first one, dried produce, where you see the vendors selling inyawuti, amabele, and so on. Then there is the fashion, the clothing department, where you can actually get a variety of clothes. Then the third one is the hardware, amapera inkomo, and everything for different types of hardware. Also you've got nails that you can also buy. Then the fourth one is fruit and vegetables, the variety of fruit and vegetables. Then the last one, the main one which covers in terms of the area space, is the buses that head along Victoria Falls Road, Binga, Nkayi, Lupane, Vic Falls, Njube, so Tsholotsho. So that's in terms of the classification of Entumbane complex. Very historical, very significant in the city of Bulawayo.
I'm Mr. Charumbira Christopher. I'm the chairperson of Entumbane complex. Actually, I'm leading a crew of 500 people. But over the number is limited to 300 due to COVID. And then, initially, out of that 300, I've got to 250 within the complex. And also, we are running short of transport, because we get most of our customers from the transport, especially people going to Binga, Lupane, Tsholotsho, etc. All the northern direction, this is their rank. But we are failing to cope up in the markets because of transport-wise. Officially opening was in 206 Flea Market yet. And by that time, it was just a bush area, and we had to do our own handwork. We had to work for it. And most of the things in there, like the roofing department, was maneuvered and was made by people contributing their monies to get the roofing part of it. In the area, of course, land is for the city council, but the city council subletted the area, the land to the MIP, which is Mines and Industrial Pension Fund. And we vendors are renting to the MIP. MIP is subletting the land to us, and they are our landlords at the moment, but under the city council. Hello? Our complex is made of almost 4 subdivisions. Number 1, fruit and veg. They sell vegetables, tomatoes, bananas, and I can say consumables.
Mina ngingu-Agnes Sibindi, ngithengisela Entumbane Flea Market. Ngithengisa ama-fruits and vegetables. Lapha ngithengisela abantu abagadayo abaya eBinga, eLupane, Tsholotsho, Lusulu. I-stand sami ngu-Bay 264.
Then section 2 is made up of, I can say, meal, rapoko, maize, imitsangela, avocado, inyawuti, rapoko, and whatever it is.
Mina ngimisisi Shumba, ngithengisela Entumbane complex. Ngithengisa izilimo ezitshiyeneyo. Ngithengisa amabhakede. Ibhakede lami elenyawuthi ngilenza $6, elomumbu $5, elamabele $6. Ngizoza kulezi izilimo ezitshiyeneyo ondlubu, igabha $5, ikhaphu $1 kumbe 10 rand. Yizo izinto engizithengisayo, izilimo engilazo lapha emsikeni wami. Sithengisela ama-customer jikelele nje wona la seduzane kwethu emalokitshini, labanye nje abasuka endaweni ezitshiyeneyo. Lezi akhamuzi ezivele ekhaya lazo ziyasithengela.
Then we come here to odds and ends. They sell reckons, bills, and I'd say homemade things.
Mina igama lami ngikhulani Ndlovu. Ngisebenzela Entumbane Flea Market ku state number 282 lapho ngisebenzela khona. I flea market engiyo inamathane le renki. Lapho into engizithengisayo ngithengisa kakhulu izinto ezemakhaya. Onjengabogwayi, amabhera, amahloka, amakhuba, amarekeni okashaya inyoni, amabheringi, ama-used oil into engizithengisayo, ngilama-torch okukhanyisa lapha yo engilawo, ngithengisa lama-radio izinto zokuyasebenzisa emakhaya, ama-earphone, ama-battery, ama-solution okuyamenza izinqola, izinto engisebenza ngazo, intambo zokuthunga ama-tennis, le ntambo zokubophisa impahla masisiya emakhaya izinto engisebenza ngazo Entumbane Flea Market.
And ama-sacks for the farmers to go and repack their resources. They buy from that section. And then we have got the caravans. We have got 3 caravans which do supply the rank, supply the market with food.
Mina ngingu-Angelina Njube, Mrs. Njube. Ibizo lami igama lami ngu-Angelina Njube. Sise-Entumbane complex silapha singama caravan amathathu. Ukudla kwethu esikuphekayo sipheka isitshwala, le rice, izithebo zethu siba le beef, okwangaphakathi ifish, yikho ukudla kwethu esiba lakho esikuphekela abantu. Baba khona abantu abagada amabhasi, baba khona abantu abakhona lapha e-flea market esibathengisela lokho kudla.
Okay, so in the kitchen, very important thing is teamwork, and I think you can see we're just moving around. And so it's important also from front of house and back this side that there's coordination from Lobengula, which is taking the orders, and this side. So it has to be that ecosystem, that system where we work as a team and everyone does their duties on time. Because if we don't do that on time, the customer doesn't receive their order on time. Okay, so I learned something back, known as Kaizen. So this is a Japanese philosophy. I'll leave a link or maybe on one article on Kaizen that you can research about. So it means, or it follows the principle of what's called immediate customer. So within a kitchen or within the kitchen, it's very clear in the applicability of that. In that when you receive a produce from outside, if Don receives that and sees there's a problem with, let's say, chicken, Don is not supposed to take those chickens forward to the line manager. If something happens and it's taken forward to the line manager should not take that produce to the chef, to the head chef, umama, until to the person serving. The customer should not receive that order in a bad state. So that's philosophy that's grounded well also within the kitchen. Also in filmmaking, also use that. Yeah, so okay, see, I think it's close to lunchtime now. Going to prepare some orders.
My name is Njube. I'm the cashier. It's a Royal takeaway restaurant. I'm actually the face of the company. What I do is I'm a customer in Abuya, get the money, take the order to the bag, and then so on and so on. In this Ema Royal, sets of bones, sets of beef, sets of chicken, anything, chips, whatsoever, anything we tell lapa. Silale, we've introduced Ifrai, Chisanyama. So now if we come at Ema Royal takeaway and restaurant, you get whatever that you want lapa. What I enjoy the most about my job is, you know, when I want my characters lapa, the worst, the best, whatsoever. Going to tell lapa.
For it traditional, ngithanda ukupheka amabhonzo leza ngaphakathi ikho enguthandayo ukwenza. The beans. nxa kulomntwana ofisa ukuba ngchef laye abe njengami, iadvice engamnika yona yikuzinikela emsebenzini, ukuthakazelela umsebenzi wakhe, ukusebenza ngesineke, ukwenza akhuthale, angabambi inyama esika inyama for 1 hour. You must be quick everything what you are doing, even ezimbizeni kupheka kwakho ube choppers, ube active. Yikho ngabanikeza khona lothando lokukwanisa ukuyenzela abantu ukudla okuhle abazakuthakazelela, abazakuthabela, ukuthi la nxa umuntu uphekile beef stew yakho umuntu azi ukuthi la yi beef stew, nxa upheka chicken azi ukuthi chicken, nxa wenza amakota chicken abone ukuthi uyenzile, uyenza ukudla kwakho ukuprepare ngenhliziyo yakho yonke.
If ever there are any visitors or anybody who wants, or tourists who wants to visit the Entumbane flea market or the Entumbane rank from city center, is almost 8 kilometers. You drive down the Lubeve Road. You cross the intersection from Mpopoma High School. You come straight. There is a Njube turn from there. Shortly there are robots. You turn to your right. About 500 meters. You turn to your left. You see the signpost written Entumbane flea market, and then that's where you get the Entumbane Terminus, where you get buses to Lupane, Tsholotsho, Binga, and Gokwe, etc. And that's where you get the flea market as well.
Yeah, celebrating the sunset now, and we're just covering up the restaurant. So learned a lot, you know. That's my happy place, kitchen, anytime, any place, and it's just a privilege to be called, to be invited, also to just help out in terms of dishing out. So if you happen to come to the city of Bulawayo, please make your way towards the western side of the city, and on your right along Lubeve Road, you'll see where there is Entumbane complex. Within that complex, there is a restaurant, takeaway and restaurant known as Ama Royal. So just for communication purposes, I'll leave the description, the details in the description box below. If you just want to call them and just ask, maybe something that you want clarity on. And also on Entumbane complex, in terms of the buses, also leave the description. Also on the website where the buses go, and on the market, on the 5 classifications that we spoke about. So it's really a big place where you can actually get everything. Also behind me, there are supermarkets, hardware shops. You actually get everything when you're on the road. But anyway, thank you for watching. My name is Prince Valomashaung. I would love for you to be part of our family. So just subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one. Remember, keep the love, keep the wound. Togoza, Tamako. Let's say it's time to head on. But lessons learned. Okay, peace.